Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to elaborate one thing. Some people are saying when he will speaking and when he will conversation and another people, then he will forget the word because every people are the memorizing the vocabulary and memorizing the word and sentence. So it is not possible you can speak the front of anyone. Just you can make a good habit and situational based our conversation, and you can speak the fluently anyone person, and you will memorizing day by day. For example, right now everyone person went to the YouTube channel and learn and memorizing 10 and 15 word and day by day practicing, and after doing when it's come to the speak, no one will speak to front of anyone. So that's you don't think such type of thing. Is just to focus on the habit and situational real time conversation. So this video I will share everything, how do you can convey and how do you can implement day by day, and what you need to learn day by day. So first thing is it the wrong method most learner follow. So most learner are memorizing 10 and 20 sentence from the YouTube or your books, and they hope used to the exact line in the conversation. The result is sound robotic and unnatural, and every person do not understanding what you are saying because of you memorizing word, and no one is understanding, but you are speak in the naturally and real time conversation, and every one person will be know what you want to say. So that's why don't memorize a word, just you need to focus the situational based conversation. And so after that, for example, I want to say I am going to the market, then useful once or twice. It is helpful for hours of communication. And second part is the real secret. Learn through the pattern, not a sentence. Instead of memorizing full sentence, learn flexible sentence and structure. For example, impotence equal to a formula that you can see in the many situations. For example, I want to give one sentence. How do you can use in the day by day, and you add something related to the our conversation. Firstly, I am giving like I am playing two plus verb. If you can add something where what you want to say, like I want to complete full sentence. I am playing or to travel and start a business. And again, I want to give one sentence. I don't feel like plus verb ing. I don't feel like talking. I don't feel like studying. And you can make 100 of real sentence from the one patterns. And part three is a super useful speaking and pattern. Use. I want to share again some like phrases word you can learn, and after that you can add what you want to speak in front of anyone. So firstly I want to give uh, I have been tried to, then you can get I have been trying to improve my English communication. And second is would you mind if, and then you can add would you mind if I ask question. And third is I more and I more I, and then you can add I more I more and I practice and more confidence I feel. And fourth thing is I can't believe that. Then you can add I can't believe that I finally spoke in English. And fourth is a let me know if. Then you can add let me know if I you need help. And you will speak naturally, and you practice 15 and 20s deeply, not 500 word sentence. And fourth thing is your daily practice routine. Choose one patterns and create 5 sentence in your minds and speak them out loud, and record yourself day by day, and use it the real life situational and the mock practice. And in 30 day you feel like confident without memorizing and the dialogue. So friend, you don't need to learn and memorizing thousand lines to speak fluently. Just you need to smart, flexible, and language patterns. And through these, trust this method. It is how to speak talk. So friends, just you follow these are my concept, and after that you will be able to conversation every in person. Because sometimes if we felt like I am not able to speak, I am not able to like something make a habitual and real time. But you will be familiar day by day, and after 30 days you will be comfort to uh, make a good habitual conversation every in person. So just to focus on the real time conversation day by day, and one day you will become a good speaker. So friend, comment your favorite pattern below and subscribe for the smart English hacks daily. So thank you so much. See you soon next video. Bye bye.